In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft LAN on same Wi-Fi Bedrock. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you and another friend or even more people are sharing the same Wi-Fi network, you can play Minecraft over LAN. So to set up a LAN world, go over to play, and whoever is going to be hosting, join the world that you want to play together using the same Wi-Fi network. So I'm going to choose the survival world, for example. It doesn't matter which one you choose. Every single world that you have and is being hosted will be able to be used for local area network play. So once the host is inside, that's basically it. All that you have to check is to go into the settings and then access the multiplayer tab. Make sure that visible to LAN players is enabled alongside the multiplayer game option. If these are grayed out and they are disabled, then what you have to do is go back into the home screen, go into the specific world where the option is disabled, and then choose the option to edit. So click on the little pencil icon besides the world. Go to multiplayer, and in here you will be able to enable multiplayer game and most importantly make it visible to LAN players, so anyone who is on the same network as you will be able to join this world. Set up the default player permissions however you prefer. Member is usually fine. Visitor is okay if you don't want them to break anything and possibly grief your world, and operator is useful if all of you want to use commands, but achievements will be disabled. So once you set everything up, including visible to LAN players, just join the world. Everyone who is going to be joining will go over to play, servers, and in here the LAN world is going to appear. Sadly, I cannot demonstrate this because I don't have anyone else helping me record this video, but if they are inside of the world and you are sharing the same network as them, the LAN world is going to appear here with the title of the world. So all that the host has to do is join and remain inside of the world. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft LAN on same Wi-Fi Bedrock. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.